Step number one, make sure you peel correctly your potatoes and you keep them into cold water like this. They won't go dark. So you can keep them up to 24 hours before cooking if you need to. Now for step two, we are going to actually cut the potato into 2 centimeter square dice and place them straight away into the saucepan ready for cooking. Once you have cut your potatoes and placed it in your sauce pot, make sure to cover the cut potatoes with cold water. When we cook potatoes, we always start with cold water. This is to allow for even cooking of the potatoes and not breaking them down too quickly on the outside and be raw in the inside. Cover your potatoes about 2 centimeters above the potatoes with the cold water and add about 5 grams of salt, sea salt or cooking salt. You can cook your potatoes on high heat and that should take 20 to 25 minutes until your potatoes are quite soft. So now it's about 20 minutes until my potatoes been starting to cook, and I'm talking about when I start to heat them up, not when it start to boil. So we are going to check out if they are ready or not. So bear with me. The simple way to check if your potatoes are cooked is to grab a spoon, bring a knife and check it. And if the potatoes feel very soft and dropping back from the knife to the pan or breaking down here, that's mean they're cooked. Look at that. Slightly, they're done. Not over, not under, just perfect. Now we're going to strain them. Potato are strained. Don't keep liquid in it. Back into the saucepan and we're going to smash them. Yeah! Next step is to smash the potato to make it smooth, not much little bits of potatoes. I don't want to mash potatoes that's too smooth, otherwise I will use a mouli for that. But I want something that looks a little bit more authentic. So I'm going to mash it as you will see. So the potatoes are here, quite hot, but as you see, they can break easily. So now I'm going to use the old smasher or masher and just press. If you have a mouli, perfect. If you have a ricer, great. If you don't have any and you have the old tool, well, get ready for it. Just keep on mashing it. Easier to do it when the potatoes are hot. As you start to see your potato mash becomes a longer tube, it means that it's getting smoother. Now after, it all depends if you like a mashed potatoes is a bit rough with a little bits and pieces, or something very smooth like a pomme duchesse. That looks good to me. Now we're going to bring that back to the stove with a few more extra ingredients that makes the entire difference. The next step is just to finish that mashed potato, putting the secret ingredients, the love and passion into the spads. So we're going to put the cream first, cook a little bit more and finish those potatoes to have a rounded finish. And we are going to put all the butter to have that smooth, palatable, delicious texture melting in the mouth. And we are going to finish with salt and pepper just to embellish that dish. Let's do it. The cream. I put the recipe on cookingwithfrenchy.com. However, just in case, it's 1 kilo of potatoes, about 5 grams of salt for the cooking process. I put 200 ml or 200 grams of cream. I'm going to put about 100 to 200 grams of butter. So we reheat the potato with the cream. Look at that. You can see how quickly the cream's been absorbed by the mashed potato. And now for the butter. 1 slab, 2 slab, 3 slab. This is about 200 grams of butter. Let's turn off the heat and just let the butter melt. Wish you were there to smell it. Look at that. So we mix until the butter is totally melted and incorporated. Look at the texture change. Feels a little bit softer. Obviously totally enriched. That's recipe, it's enough for 10 people, but trust me, if you are spud lovers, mashed potato lovers, I believe 6 people will just go through it easily. Look at that texture. Just like my grandma used to do. So also I use blue potato, purple potato, because they have their flesh. It's a little bit softer, it's a little bit sweeter. I really love here the royal blue for it. Now it's time to take the seasoning. Yes, can you smell it? Look at this. It's really good. Might have a hint of salt. I'm gonna get some white pepper and fix that thing. Otherwise it's just divine, beautiful, smooth, really, really melting. You will love this, trust me. If you're like me and you love mashed potatoes, you will love this recipe. So get to your grocery shopping, get some potatoes, bit of cream, bit of butter, or salt. That's all you need. The rest, you don't need anything else. You just can live on mashed potato. Everybody knows that. See you next time for our next episode. If you like it, please share it to everyone. That's how you help me reaching more people and sharing my passion with you. Have a nice day. See ya.